Hi guys, Dr. Berg here. Listen, I wanted to talk about the concept of doing a maintenance program on a ketogenic diet. Like what happens when you reach your goal, okay, of weight loss? Well, what I want to talk about is I want to talk about the ketogenic diet is really, you have to look at it like a tool. When you really understand how to do it correctly, it can create some real powerful effects, not just on your weight loss, but for your health, longevity, heart, cardiovascular, blood pressure, cholesterol, cancer, memory, cognitive function, energy levels. I mean, there are so many positive things. So once you hit your goal with weight, you want to now have a new goal. What is your new goal? My goal is to get younger every year that I get older. Okay, I'm 70 years old right now, so I want to, no, I'm just kidding, I'm 52. But I want to get younger every year I get older. I want to feel better. I want to get more fit. This is the goal that I have. And you have to kind of, as you get older, you have to work harder at it. So my goal on YouTube is to educate you so well that you can use this with certainty and predict your health, because it creates some pretty powerful effects fairly fast. I've been reading a lot of your comments, and people are losing 30 and 40 pounds. They're coming off their medication. I mean, that is like huge. Once that happens, you'll have the knowledge and the certainty to know that it works. And it's going to be really hard for you to go back to what other people do, is they go back to their old ways, because now you don't crave. So really the goal of a ketogenic diet, which is a certain technology, is to use it as a tool to build up your health reserves so high that you can afford to go off occasionally. If you want to do the fruit, you want to do the potato, you want to do the sprouted grains, go for it. But now you have the certainty and knowledge to know that, you know what, maybe I can't do that. And maybe I have to do less of it, but you'll have the certainty. And that's really what it's all about, is putting you in charge so you can be kind of cause over your own health. All right? Thanks for watching. Press the subscribe button, and I can't even say this. Okay, geez, let me do that over again. Press the subscribe button. Just press this button right here, subscribe. Okay, that one right there. Just do it right now. What's the next part? What am I going to say? Take 5. Do it. Press the subscribe button, and I will keep you updated on the future events.